Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Yazio. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here Yazio app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.